Welcome, my friend. How you guys doing today? So in today's video, I'm making some salmon. I'm searing it in a pan and I'm using a honey glaze. So for my seasoning, I have some adobo, some garlic powder, and some other stuff. I'll put all of the ingredients in the description bar. So you guys, if you want to try it out, if you want to make it, it'll all be there. So we're just gonna season it up. Then I'm using some avocado oil to get a nice good color on the salmon. And once we get the color on it, cook it for a little bit. Just cooking it for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. You know, salmon don't take that long, but I like mine a little bit drier. And then we're gonna do about a tablespoon of honey, 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey, depending on how sweet you might like it. I don't want it to be over sweet, but I just want it to have a good taste to it. So this recipe is a shout out to my auntie. So she told me over the holiday that's what she was doing, and I was like, you know what, I have to try this. And I tried it, and you guys, it was so good. So I hope you guys give it a try. I thank you guys so much for watching the video. Thank everyone for subscribing. Thank everyone for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. And thanks again for coming. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. I appreciate you. Bye.